How to enter the box 12 details from your W-2 in H&R Block. This is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to teach you on how can you enter the box 12 details from your W-2 in H&R Block. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open your browser in your PC and then navigate to hrblock.com. Then after logging to your H&R Block account and open your H&R Block tax software, navigate to the W-2 section. Then after, simply navigate to the W-2 section. Look for the section where you enter your W-2 information. This is typically the part of the income section or dedicated W-2 input section. Enter the W-2 information, including your employer's identification number, your wages, and takes withheld. Locate the section where you enter the information from the box 12 of your W-2. Enter box 12 codes and amount, which may contain various codes representing different types of compensation, benefits, or deductions. Then after, follow the software prompts of H&R Block's tax software, which typically provides prompts and fields for entering specific box 12 codes and corresponding amounts. Enter the information accurately and then after, review and confirm. Double check that the information entered matches the details from your W-2 and ensure that you have accounted for the applicable box's 12 codes. Also, do not forget to complete any additional sections or questions related to your tax situation. And finally, preview and submit. Before submitting your return, preview it to ensure that all the entered information, including the box 12 details, is accurate. Follow the prompts to submit your completed tax return. And remember to refer the specific instructions and guidance provided by H&R Block software for the tax year 2024. If you encounter any difficulties or have any questions, consider reaching out to H&R Block's customer support for their assistance. This is how you can enter the box 12 details from your W-2 in H&R Block. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.